Hello children, as we are celebrating Raksha Bandhan or Rakhi, as we say on 3rd August, let's learn how to make an eco-friendly Rakhi or green Rakhi. Now the materials required are pencil shavings, satin ribbon and piece of thick paper. Now this piece of thick paper can be in any shape. I have taken it as a round shape. It depends upon your interest. You can take the shape of star or triangle or rectangle. Okay, and you can start decorating it. First stick the paper in the center of the satin ribbon. Then I have kept the Fevicol on the corner of the round paper and I have started sticking the pencil shavings. Now depending on your shape which you have taken the piece of paper, you can start decorating. Take the pencil shavings of different colors and keep it ready, and as you wish, as you feel, you can start decorating the Rakhi. Now I have taken few methi seeds also and I am putting it in the center of the Rakhi. Now it's not compulsory, depends upon your wish. If not methi seeds, you can put any other pulses which are colorful. Okay, so we are trying to make a Rakhi which is with the things which are available at home. Fine. Now see, I have done this. Now I am sticking few more pencil shavings of different colors to make it more beautiful and attractive. Once the methi seeds are kept in the center of the Rakhi, now I am sticking the extra other color pencil shavings. So plan it before you do. Keep all the things ready and start doing the Rakhi. See, it depends upon your idea, the shape of thick paper which you have taken. According to that, you can start decorating. Now this is an eco-friendly Rakhi because the things which we are using are things which will not cause harm to the nature. They are not made of plastic or any other material. So this is an eco-friendly Rakhi. Try to use the things which are available at home, because this is not the time where we can go out and buy the decorative items. So once this is done, let it dry for some time. Here our Rakhi is ready. Now in case you have used methi seeds, what you can next do is take these seeds and put it in a pot of mud and take care of the seeds by pouring water daily, and you can observe that after few days these methi seeds have grown into methi leaves. Now you can take out these methi leaves, cut it and put it in your dish and make it into a healthy dish. Okay, so this is the way we can celebrate our eco-friendly Rakhi. Thank you.